So today we're going to do the mini double replacement lab that we have written in there. We're going to use the micro wells, and what this will look like for those of you that are watching this, you will make observations, see what I do, and put a data table together so that you're able to do the lab, so to speak, in a way that I just kind of do the lab for you. That's kind of how we'll do some of these labs that would need to be done in the lab that you won't have chemicals for. So let's get started. Let's see if I can flip this. All right, so here we have a micro well plate. It's a little bigger one than the other one that I have. That's this size, and what we'll look at, this one I'll use for a different one. But this one, what I'll do is I'll use it for, because it's nice and big, and you'll be able to kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm going to be putting in solutions in these 4 parts, okay? And so how this will look is I'm going to take my solutions that I need. I believe those are the right ones that I have for it. And we are going to do a double replacement lab with it. And so I'm going to take my ammonium carbonate. I'm going to put a couple drops in across, just like so. And then I'm going to put them down as well. So then I'll mix everything, kind of like a times table. Now, it should come as no surprise that when I look at the A1, nothing's going to happen because I just mixed this with this. So pretty lame. Then I'm going to take my calcium chloride. I'm going to put it in 2, couple drops, all the way down. And then all the way across. You might notice that, hey look, there's something there. And yes, that's our precipitate, as we might be able to guess. I'm going to then take my barium chloride, and I'll put it in 3, all the way down. And then in C, all the way across, as I see there. And I should notice that I have chemical reactions forming. Awesome. And then I'm going to take my sodium phosphate, put it in 4, and then also in D. Couple drops, and then across. Now this is again the order that I put them in. Now, hopefully, it should make sense based on our understanding of solubility and double replacement reactions on which ones are going to form a precipitate. So I put, again, the ammonium carbonate in A. So that's ammonium carbonate, ammonium carbonate, ammonium carbonate, ammonium carbonate. And here is the end result of that lab, where you can see kind of the timetables of which ones would react. It should make sense that we have no reaction all the way across, because that's where they're mixing with each other. and that a couple of them should mirror each other, as we see, because they're mixing with the same thing. So if you really want to know what's kind of going on, just look at half of it. And you'll be able to, from there, be able to see what is mixed with what, because there should be nothing mixed when you're mixing the same thing with the same thing. Nothing should happen, and these are all mirror images of them.